How to increase credit card limit fast. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly increase your credit card limit fast. A credit limit is a maximum amount you can spend on your credit card determined by the provider. You will usually find out your credit limit when you receive your new card. Going over the limit may result in a fee and higher interest rate. If you're concerned about the limit, you can inquire with the provider before signing up for a new credit card. They can give you an estimate, but may need to conduct a credit check. Your credit limit is important as it is reflected on your credit report and influences other lenders' decisions. When applying for a credit card, the provider considers various factors to determine your initial credit limit, resulting in a hard search on your credit file. Increasing your limit can improve your credit score by lowering your credit utilization ratio. You should aim to use only 25% of your available credit. You can request a credit limit increase from your provider, but they may conduct a credit search which can impact your credit score. They may agree, reject, or offer a small increase. Most credit card companies will increase your credit limit automatically after 6 to 12 months of on-time payments and low balances. There is nothing wrong with asking, right? If you have been making on-time payments, keeping your balance low, and even paying off your balance in full each month for the last 6 months, just call your credit card company and ask. You may be surprised with the new credit limit increase that you weren't expecting. If you're already doing everything mentioned about for all of your credit cards and have increased your credit score, you might want to consider applying for a card with a different company that offers a higher credit limit. All of these credit limit increases could cause your credit scores to skyrocket and ultimately lower and significantly improve your credit utilization. So this is all about how to increase the credit card limit fast. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support.